Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this week's video I'm going to show you my favorite and easiest house-made plum jam finished within about 40 minutes. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thanks guys. So first things first is our plums. So we'll focus on our plums here. I've got 1.2 kilos worth of plums that I have grown in my local garden at home. So here I've got 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and also 3 tablespoons of rosewater syrup. And also our main ingredient here is our caster sugar. So here we've got to use 3.5 cups of caster sugar. So we'll start off first with our plums. This is a big prep job, so what we want to do is prep these, and I'll show you exactly a demo on how to do these. So here is our medium-sized plum. What you want to do is you want to prep it on a nice stable board, have it on a flat surface. You want to run your knife through the middle and all the way around to the middle of the seed, and you want to go all across it till you find the round tip. And what you want to do is you want to gently twist and pull together so you get a nice clean opening, just like so. Now for this recipe, you don't have to be extra cautious, because what we've got to do is we've got to cook down our plums anyway and blitz them eventually. So you don't have to be super careful and keep the nice shape on it. Although check my other recipe out on my YouTube channel, how to pickle your own plums or any fruit or vegetable. It's the same recipe but with a different type of fruit. So you're going to prep all your plums just like so. Same method as before, my other video. Take the seed out, run your knife through the middle, give it a nice twist and pull. Be very careful, there you go, just like that. Run your knife under the seed. Try not to take out as much flesh as you can, and it should come out just like that, easy. So you're going to do the rest of the plums. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes to do, not too long. Alright, so here we go. We got all of our plums now prepped up. You want to add it into a medium-sized pot, and you want to place on a medium to high heat setting. Let it cook down for about 2 minutes on a nice dry pan, just to extract flavor. Then you want to follow by your sugar. Give that a good stir, make sure everything is mixed well and incorporated, like so. So after 5 to 10 minutes in the pot, you want to add in your apple cider vinegar, followed by your rosewater syrup, and also your cinnamon spice. Give that a good old stir, make sure everything is well combined, and you want to always keep it on a medium to high heat. You want to overboil it, just like so. You notice how it's just simmering away, not overboiling. You want to give this a good stir every now and then. Now here I'm just using my digital thermometer just to make sure that my temperature doesn't reach over 105 degrees Celsius. Just because sometimes when I do reach that potential heat, my jam sometimes becomes bitter. So it all just depends on what type of plum that you are using. So for instance, my one that I have, I always remove my seeds because it does produce that bitter flavor to my jam. So I always remove it, and always make sure when I cook my jam, it is not over boiling, it's on a medium to high heat. So now you want to blitz up your jam into a nice fine puree, just like so. You can place it in a blender, blitz it through there, or you can use a hand blender like I am using now. Give it a good blitz until all the plums are nice and smooth like so. Have a look at that. It's running at the moment because it's still quite hot. So this is for an example when you know it's ready also. I usually run it through a spoon, and if it doesn't move your jam on each of the side, it's good. Also here I have a plate. This was placed in the freezer for about half an hour. This is also a good test to see if the jam runs on each side. If it holds its shape, its size like that, then it's good. Beautiful, we're pretty much done now. You want to strain out your jam into a sieve, just like so. Just look how nice and beautiful colour that jam has come out. Just amazing. A few ingredients and you come out with this beautiful dark rosy colour. Just amazing. Using a spatula, you want to press down against the sieve and push out as much as the jam as you can as possible. So this is obviously taking out all the leftover skins and the hard stuff that's left from the plum into the sieve, so you can discard that. And now we are ready to place our jam into our sterilized and clean jars. So we've got our ladle, and you just want to place it through a funnel so it's a lot easier to transfer. And that is it, guys. Simple as anything. You guys can make this so easy in about 30 to 40 minutes. Doesn't take long at all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my simple, quick and easy homemade house plum jam. Hope you learned and enjoyed it, most importantly. If you like what I'm doing here, please give us a thumbs up, a comment and a subscription if you'd like to see more on my videos and to have that notification bell every week. Thanks for your support, guys. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next week with another recipe. Later, guys. Ciao.